morning everyone. I hope you all are very good. So today in your art and craft class we are going to do a craft activity that is hungry caterpillar. For making you are having material at the back side of your books, and for making you all have to follow my instructions. So students, we are going to do this hungry caterpillar activity that is on your page 28, and we are having the material. This is the material we have to cut, and that is on page number 35. We have to cut all the strips, and you all have to take the help of your elders. I'll cut all the strips like this, and we need glue for this. So we need glue, and how we have to make the chain, we just have to paste the ends of the strips. Now we have to make a chain. How we have to make a chain? We just have to, now I'll make the chain like this. Similarly you have to do the same. Yes, it's look like this. Yes, and you all need glue for making this chain, and we are making caterpillar, and this is the chain of a caterpillar. By the help of this chain we make a caterpillar. Yes, yes, you all have to check how the chain is looking. Yes, now we have to join all the circle with the help of the glue, and it is done. And for making the face, yes, for making the face we need to cut the red strip that is on page 35. This is the red strip, and we are having the eye. Yes, yes, we have eye, ear and mouth. We have to paste all the three like this. Paste the eyes, ears and mouth on this red strip, and our caterpillar is looking like this. It's done. I hope you all understand how to make this caterpillar.